Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about functions in JavaScript. So guys, before jumping into coding, let me first tell you about how many types of functions in JavaScript. Okay? And after that I will tell you why do we need functions in JavaScript, and then we will code. Okay guys? So guys, there are several types of functions in JavaScript. Like there are mainly seven types of functions in JavaScript. Our first one is normal function. Normal function, fun function, and then we have function expression, and then we have arrow function, and then we have no numbers function. Okay, now we have IIFE function, whose full form is immediately invoke function expression. Okay, now we have another function whose name is callback function, and then we have higher order functions. So guys, there are several types of functions. Some functions are mentioned here. So guys, today we will go deep dive into the normal functions. Okay, so guys, firstly I need to tell you a story. I will tell you a story. Suppose you have a mobile. Okay, imagine in your contact list you you saved your contact like your mom number, your dad number, your friend number, your sister number, your brother number. Okay, when you want to call someone, you don't dial the full number every time. You just tap the contact name and calls happens. Okay, the phone already knows whose number to dial, how to connect the call. Okay, you just use your contact name. We can map the story to our JavaScript functions. So guys, first we first I will tell you uh, syntax of a normal function. Then we need to write here our function name, and then parenthesis, and then block. Okay, here function function is a reserved keyword. Okay, and here we write our function name. Inside the parenthesis we will write our parameters, and then inside this block we will write work of that function. Okay guys, suppose you need to call your mom. I will write here console.log. Hi mom. Hi. So guys, inside the function body we will write your work which we want to do. Okay, now guys, if I call this function, our hi mom will be printed in our console. Okay, now you can see here like how we can call a function. We can call a function, just write its name and then parenthesis, function name, and then parenthesis, function call. Okay, now if I run this code, you can see in our terminal our hi mom will be printed. You can see here guys, our mom is printed in our terminal. Okay, so guys, this is our first function. This is our first normal functions. Okay, so guys, if I call it again, you can see here a magic. I am calling it again, and you can see here in terminal, hi mom, hi mom. You can call this function many times without writing repeating code. Okay, here first use case is our repeating code. If I need, if I will write this code many times, suppose let me comment it, and then suppose here I am writing console.log, hi mom. Our in our terminal, hi mom is printed one time. If I want to print this again, I need to console.log again, hi mom. It will call two times. Suppose you have a piece of code that is repeating many times, where here we can use functions. Guys, you can see here, like if I write this function, if I write all code inside this function, hi mom, and console.log here, good morning mom, good morning mom, and then I am calling this function. You can see here, guys, magic happens. Hi mom, good morning mom. You don't need to write this code many times. You can call it anytime, any number of times. You can see here, if I call it 1 2 3 4 5 times, it will printed in our terminal 5 times, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay guys, so guys, we with the help of functions we can write clean and clear code. Okay, and we can reuse our code. Okay guys, so guys, here I call this function many times, but there is one thing, our code is not dynamic. Here every time, here we are calling our mom. Every time we are calling our mom. If I want to call my brother, my sister, my father, and our friends, how we can do this? Think guys, think. So guys, now I am going to tell you parameters in functions. Parameters. Actually guys, parameters are passed on function definition. When we are defining a functions, our parameters are passed. We can pass our parameters. You can see here guys, like name. We are passing here name. Now we are removing it, and then we are calling name. Okay, here we can pass many parameters. Okay guys, with the help of comma separated, here we can send age and anything you can just write. So guys, if I pass this name here, like I am passing here father, I need to remove it here. Okay, function name father. If I call it, you can see here guys, magic will happen. Hi father, hi. Now in, if I call it again, if I call my friend, you can see here guys, magic. Hi father, hi friend. and now so on we can call anyone, like we are calling our sister, and then run this program. Here you can see hi father, hi friend, hi sister. Okay, if we don't write a function, we need to write every time console.log hi mom, hi father, hi sister, hi friend. Okay, functions is a reusable piece of code, and we can write clear code with the help of functions. Okay guys, now we can see here, this is our normal functions. This is parameters, here we pass, and here we pass actual value of name which are defined in parameters. Okay, so guys, now first we can call it anywhere in the program. We can call this function anywhere in the program. You can see guys, like I am calling this function before its declaration. Before its declaration, you can see here guys, magic will happen. Function name, and then our name. Our name will be like Ishwar Verma. Okay, if I comment it out, I commented it out, and then you can see here guys, hi Ishwar Verma is called hi Ishwar Verma, and we can call after its declaration function name, and then I am calling to Saksham. Okay, now you can see in our terminal, hi Ishwar Verma, hi Saksham. Okay guys, because when our program is run, our whole function body is created in our memory. Okay, now guys, we can call that function everywhere in our program. Okay, so guys, this is a basic of our functions in JavaScript. Tomorrow we will cover our rest of functions like function expressions, arrow function, anonymous function, IIF function, callback function, higher order functions. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.